It's finally Friday. So, in our house, Fridays are floor Fridays. So, that is the kids' daily chore. Because they have to vacuum the house on Fridays. So, what we're going to talk about today is a carpet freshener. I have an area rug in our living room and then in the den. And that's it. So, what you need is a jar, some baking soda, and then an essential oils of your choice. I'm going to use Christmas Spirit because it's that time of the year and I like the way it smells. So, get your jar, fill it up with as much baking soda as you want to. I usually fill it all the way up. And then put about 10 drops of essential oils in there. Put your lid on it. And then right before you're going to vacuum, or if you have a little bit of time to let it sit in, that's even better. Sprinkle it all over your carpet. Let it sit for a little bit if you can. And then vacuum it up and you're done. I will post a picture of what mine look like. I tend to do it right before I go pick up the kids from school. And then I pour it on the carpet, let it sit while I'm going to pick them up, and then they come home, and then they vacuum then. So it has about 15, maybe 20 minutes, depending on the car line, to sit in before it, so that smell gets all good in there. But there's your tip for your YL everyday use in your house essential oils tip. Peace out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.